All right, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to solve one-step inequalities. All right, let's look at this first example. But before we do, remember, whenever you're dealing with an inequality that's strictly less than or greater than, you're going to graph the solution on a number line with an open circle. If it's less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, you'll graph the solution on a number line with a closed circle. All right, let's look at our first example. It says x plus 5 is less than or equal to 7. Now, I'm going to go ahead and draw my variable house over here because this is the side with the variable, and my number house over here because this side strictly has a number. In the variable house, somebody needs to leave because it's not a variable. And yep, you're thinking correct. It's the 5. So the opposite of positive 5 is negative 5. So I'll subtract 5 on both sides. Bring down my x and my less than or equal to sign. And 7 minus 5 equals 2. So to graph this solution that says x is less than or equal to 2, I'm going to go to 2 on the number line, which is right here, and draw my closed circle. And the inequality says x is less than or equal to 2. So all the numbers that are smaller than 2 are these numbers on the left side. And so I shade it. And that's it. Let's look at the next example. It says 11 minus p is greater than 8. I'm going to draw my variable house and my number house. In the variable house, the 11 needs to leave because it's not a variable. So the opposite of positive 11 is negative 11. So I'll subtract 11 on both sides. Bring down my negative p. And by the way, you're really looking at a negative 1p. And so if you need to write that negative 1 that's imaginary in front, go ahead and write it in. Greater than 8 minus 11 is negative 3. And then to get p by itself, since the negative 1 is multiplied to the p, I'm going to do the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division. So I will divide both sides by negative 1. And remember the cheat I taught you guys in class. When do you flip the inequality sign? When you multiply or divide by negative. So since I divided by a negative 1, I'm going to flip that inequality sign to be a less than sign. And negative 3 divided by negative 1 is 3. So on my number line, I'm going to go to the number 3, draw an open circle because it says less than, and it says p is less than 3. So all the numbers that are smaller than 3 are on the left side. So I'll shave the left side. And that's it.